Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, 807th Mass Contact Exercise held. Shrujini Awards function organized for employees of Hot Strip Mill. And Rourkela Steel Plant's plantation drive continues unabated. Now the news in detail. The 807th Mass Contact Exercise on the topic, Planning for Turnaround and Transformation by Galvanizing Inner Strength, was held at Gopabandhu Auditorium on 25th July. Mr. A. Acharya, GM Projects, chaired the session. Mr. D.K. Mahapatra, GM Steel, was also present on the dais. Many senior officers and cross-section of employees from different units of RSP participated in the session. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Acharya emphasized upon the need of environmental and safety consciousness. He urged the participants to avoid using plastics and make every effort to produce accident-free steel. Mr. Mahapatra in his address spoke about the volatile nature of the steel industry and stressed upon the need of achieving APP targets, enhancing the quality of the product, increasing the volume of production and improving the techno-economic parameters to remain afloat in the market. At the outset, a video featuring an address of Mr. Ashwini Kumar, CEO RSP, on the occasion of annual performance review was screened, followed by AV messages of Mr. Ashwini Kumar, CEO RSP, on Sale Uday initiatives of RSP, a short video film entitled Roads That Say Yes to Plastics, and videos on safety. Mrs. Barkha Sharma, OCT Power Distribution, and Mrs. Kunurani Biswal, OCT OBBP, elaborated on various aspects of the functioning of the plant and township and the intervention and status of employees' suggestions. A section titled Media Showcase, compiled by PR Department, covering the stories published in the media during the month of June 2018 regarding the various successful endeavors of RSP, was also presented. Later, during the interaction session, employees gave suggestions pertaining to production, productivity, maintenance and safety issues. Mr. K.K. Jaiswal, Manager HRD, coordinated the session, which ended with Sankalp, a pledge-taking ceremony. A Shrujini Awards distribution function was organized on 21st July for the employees of Hot Strip Mill at the Emergency Control Room. Mr. P. Murali, GM HSM, was the chief guest of the function and awarded the prize winners for the implemented suggestions. Mr. B. Kullu, DGM Personnel Works sectional representatives, other officers and employees of the department were also present on the occasion. Mr. B.K. Behra, Manager IED, elaborated on the status of Shrujini Creativity Scheme in Hot Strip Mill Department. In all, 580 suggestions were awarded on the occasion, out of which 455 suggestions have already been implemented. Cash awards to the tune of Rs 1,11,450 were given on the occasion. The suggestions have led to one-time benefit of Rs 71.02 lakhs and a recurring benefit of Rs 21.53 lakhs for the plant. Mr. R.N. Rajendran, DGM Mechanical HSM, delivered the welcome address and coordinated the function. Mr. Avinash, Deputy Manager Personnel, proposed a vote of thanks. The plantation activities of Rourkela Steel Plant is going on unabated in the current monsoon. The plantation activity for the year commenced with a mass tree plantation festival organized at Sector 6 on 6th July, in which Mr. Ashwini Kumar, CEO RSP, graced as the chief guest and planted the first sapling. Since then, more than 41,000 saplings have already been planted by RSP with the help of the Forest Department, Government of Orissa in the Steel Township, as well as periphery villages near Nuagaon, Rajganpur and Panposh. Seedlings are being prepared in the Green Park Nursery of RSP as well as nurseries of the Forest Department. Various plant species of medicinal, timber, flowering and fruit-bearing types like Chatiana, Acacia, Radhachuda, Gambhar, Teak, Simaruba, Karanja, Neem, Sunari, Arjun, Aula, Jarul, Jamun, Mahaneem, Putranjiba, Tabenuia, Vishnuchuda, Bahara and Mahogany are being planted this year. It is worth mentioning here that till last year, RSP has planted 47 lakh trees in and around Rourkela, thereby creating a girdle of green in this region. Plans are afoot to plant about 1.8 lakh trees in Rourkela Steel City, Rourkela Steel Plant and peripheral villages in the current year. That's all in this edition of Rourkela News. Namaskar.